Newly constructed home with frontage on Hilham Highway and on Greenbrook dining room where there is access to the rear of the home with concrete driveway. Very appealing open floor plan with split bedrooms, 2 full baths plus a large laundry work area with a utility sink. The kitchen provides loads of cabinetry, with stainless steel built-in appliances, an oversized island area plus pantry that overlooks a generous-sized family room with adjoining dining room. The lot features a large backyard with a long concrete patio area. There is added insulation for energy-efficient home.